in 3000 years back, Kaniyan Pungundranar says, Yaadhum Oore Yaavarum Kelir.
Yaadhum Oore Yaavarum Kelir. Where there is righteousness in the heart, there is beauty in the character. There is harmony in the home. When there is harmony in the home, there is order in the nation. When there is order in the nation, there is peace in the world. Yaadhum Oore Yaavarum Kelir. I am a world citizen. Every citizen is my own kid.
I am reminded of the dream of an Indian poet, Kaniyan Pungundranar, who articulated in 3000 years back in Tamil classic Purananur. He says, Yaadhum Oore Yaavarum Kelir, which means I am a world citizen. Every citizen is my own kith and kin, he said 3000 years back.
Yaadhum Oore Yaavarum Kelir. I am a world citizen. Every citizen is my own kith and kin. I'm a world citizen. Every citizen is my own kith and kin.